My name is Jimmy, and today I worked on the ultrasonic home defense. So for the goal is to implement a home alarm system using the Raspberry Pi. So I use ultrasonic sensors, LEDs, and some Python code. So the design is going to be a proximity-based alarm. So there's a different number of LEDs that light up based on the distance as you get closer. So the ultrasonic sensor is used as a proximity sensor, and more LEDs are lit up as you get closer to the sensor. So for the build, you need a Raspberry Pi, a breadboard, a couple of resistors and wires. You need 4 LEDs for different degrees of alarm and an ultrasonic sensor. For the program, you need to set up the input for the Raspberry Pi. You need to initialize the LEDs, buttons, and sensors, and you also need to get the distance information from the ultrasonic sensor. And then I ran through many tests to make sure every single part works. The first basic one is to just make sure the lights turn on and off. Next one is to make sure the button works, make sure the sensor works, and give proper distance information, and make it all work together. So if I were to do this next time, I'd maybe add a buzzer to the alarm, so when you get closer, it flashes lights and makes a really loud sound too. And let me show you the other components of the breadboard. More initialization. And then here's the main part of the program. So right here, I'm checking to see the distance based off the electronic sensor, the ultrasound sensor. And then based off the distance that I get from the sensor, I'll be turning on LEDs. And then finally, when we get super close, it'll flash really brightly and fast. So take a look at the fingers crossed. Okay, so you see one light, 3 lights, 4 lights. Oh, and now it's flashing. So if you just leave light here, it's going to keep flashing, nothing's going to happen. If you want to reset the home alarm system, you just press this button right here. Ooh. Well, maybe a little bug. So when I press the button, it's supposed to reset and turn everything off, but maybe I'll fix that next time.
Yes. Any question, guys? Please give me a round of applause.